I'm about to turn it on so y'all can hear the noise of the tensioner when it's bad. It's the noise and the bad tensioner. That was the noise of a bad tensioner. Now, get ready to fix it. You gotta take these out, that out, this out, and this the part number for 2015 Chevy Suburban. You gotta have that little hook on the back. Now, let's do a mechanic. Take that out. Take this out. Bang. Loosen this up. Take this out. Now it's gonna be that. Right there. And this is a number 15. What the hell is the number? There's a 15 to loosen that screw right here. 15, but you got to put this on. This is the 3/8, the 3/8 in here to take the belt out, right? Now you put it here, turn it this way, take it out from the alternator, right? And that's it. See, take it out of here from the alternator, and now me, what I do, I sit it up here. So like that, it don't start moving everywhere. Cause I know right here, I already know how it's gonna go. Remember, keep it up here. Well, it already came out. Remember, it's got to go around the water pump. And then it goes through there. And then it goes through here. And then up here. I'll show y'all how to put it. I learned by myself. Check the belt. I don't see no cracks, so the belt should be good. And then when you put it back, you gotta torque it 37 foot-pounds. There it goes. Piece of cake. Oh. Check them. They feel tight. The only one that feel loose is this a little bit. Mm-hmm. 5.3, 2015. You haven't got that noise from the tensioners? That's what it is. Man, this is an all 8-cylinder. Huh? Papa! See? See, this one don't get connected right there. Huh? If you got a 8 and 4 cylinder, this is where your valley cover get connected. Damn, I swear this shit had tape on it. Nah, I gotta put tape on that. Oh, 8-cylinder. Man, put this on. And then you come, you set it on this hole right here. Now about to put it on. Now this hole, this goes in here. And then you just tighten it up. Now we gotta torque it 37 foot-pound. 37. When you hear this. Remember, once you hear that clicking noise, now let's put that belt back. Remember, it's gotta go through here. Then it goes through here. Right. And now it comes from here. Just gotta go in here. See what I'm doing, right? Check it out, the alternator. This got it going through here and then through here. See? Yeah, I put it through the bottom. Now you put the 3/8 right here. The 3/8. Stick it in here. And now, come, you push it down and put it back on the alternator. See, you put it there. Put it there, make sure it's connected all the way around. And push it here a little bit. Right here. And bam. That's it. And the job is done. 2015 Chevy Suburban. Putting the belt tensioner. I thought it was a pull idle tensioner, but this ain't for the idle. This is a pull. This for the belt tensioner. Belt tensioner. Yeah, piece of cake. Now I'm waiting for my O2 sensor. And then I put it on. That's all you needed. Was a 15. A 15. With the big joint, the 3/8 and the 3/8 to get the bell off, right? And then you need the torque. You need this 15 to torque it, 87 foot-pound. Shit, I got a little bit of tools. And this is the part number for Napa. Belt tensioner. It was like $87. Hold up. $2015 belt tensioner assembly. That shit was $76. Then the O2 sensor was. Everything came out to $176. It was a piece of cake. If it's not because I'm recording, I would have took about like 4 minutes. So now you come, you put this back. Put that there. Put that here. Click these on. Click them on, make sure they're not coming out. Click this one on. And now, tighten it up. Tighten this one up. Bam. The job is done. Now I gotta turn it on. Now let's turn her on. Still making that noise. That's the water pump. Into some bullshit. Fuck, I just bought the tension and that's not even what it was. It's the fucking water pump.